Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. As y'all see, my son, he is getting ready for the prank wars, y'all. It's gonna be epic, crazy in his house. So he's hiding in the refrigerator, so we finna get baby girl. So I'm gonna just tell her to come bring my cup down here with some ice, okay? Okay. Okay, wait, let me try to close up the, let me see, can I do it like that? Let me see. I gotta, hold on y'all, let me cover up this camera better. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna go upstairs to make it look legit, and I'm gonna be like, oh, I left my water. Okay, I'll be back.
Yeah, I'm not just not. Ah, man, I knew something was up. Dang it. I knew it. Ah, I knew it.
Water. So y'all, I had to stay upstairs to make it look legit. All right, so y'all, we will see y'all in the next prank video, okay? All right.